welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about how to dye your hair using this crepe paper, and it's affordable way to dye your hair and it will last up to 3 weeks. And yeah, that's it. So if you want to see how I did this one, so keep watching. You'll need aluminum foil, crepe paper, scissor, bowl, some stick, and gloves. Then cut the crepe paper into pieces. Then pour hot water on it. Also, I put pinch of salt too. Then let it sit for about 10 minutes. Fast forward. I separated my hair into 2 ponytails or pigtails. Then just soak your hair into the crepe paper water bowl. Then wrap your hair with aluminum foil like so. And do the same thing on the other side of the tails. Then let it sit for about 20 minutes. I wrapped my hair with t-shirt instead of towel because towel makes your hair frizzy. So I'm just gonna blow dry my hair today, and I blow dry my hair like every once in a while. I use Hair System Ultimate Hair Oil that I bought in Watson. That's good for dry and damaged hair. Then I blow dry again. Hi, I'm back. So this is the final result, and I'm gonna show you the back. So by the way, my hair is bleached, that's why it's really colored. So, okay, I keep saying so. So maybe the result may vary for you, kinda darker. And yeah, that's it for today. So thank you so much guys for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, just comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe.